So TSO did me the hardware, but they didn't send any kind of instruction on how to attach it. So we got these Torx head screws here, and they're an 8x32 thread. So you had to get a tap using a 29 drill, which is a 9/64 drill bit, which is the closest one. But here's the mounting hardware of these Torx screws. And I took a couple clamps and I clamped it down, and I've already got one screw set already, and I've got 2 holes tapped. But now I'm going to tap the 4th hole, and I'm going to move to the rear and tap the 2 in the back, because there's 6 bolts, these Torx screws, that hold this rear frame overlay plate on. So now I'm going to do that. And then I have the mounting hardware right here I'll put on after I get this other hole, but I wanted to show this tapping sequence. If you never tapped before, you got to use use oil on your tap. And when you're making the threads into your frame, you don't break this. The friction of the tap threads going through it. Essentially, you just want to put that in there and start screwing it down. Just keep turning it slowly with pressure, and then I've already drilled the holes. Sorry, I need to apologize and backtrack here. I've already drilled these holes, pre-drilled these. I put the plate up here, I put it in place, and I clamped it in place, and then I pre-drilled these holes, and now I'm going back and I'm tapping it so we can put the hardware in. And so basically, when you start running the tap in there, like screwed in with a screw, you'll feel it start to bind down. You don't want to force it. You just want to give it a little bit of pressure, and you're cutting the thread as you go in. And then you're backing out a little bit. And then every once in a while, you want to keep putting oil on there, so it allows the tap to go through the steel and create the thread without too much friction. You just keep going back and forth, and eventually you'll get to a point, you get in there a little ways, that you'll feel the threads, it will never bind up again, it'll eventually break through. So that one is all the way through. It only takes about 2 or 3 times. Tighten it down, back it out, tighten down a little more, maybe 4 or 5, I guess. But you'll run it all the way in, then back it out, like so. Clean that little bit of metal shavings. Got a little bit of rag right here. We'll wipe off this excess oil off the plate. It's polished, but I'll keep it polished. Get something to wipe that off. Now I got oil on there. Now I'm gonna take my Torx kit, screws I've already tapped. Now I should be able to just thread them right in there. Tighten them down. I haven't done the 2 in the rear, so I need to do those yet. And then this side's done. Or the other side, and then we'll do the front. It turned out pretty good. I'm gonna stop this, we'll take up, I'll show you the Alright, so here we are. Put this one up in here. So keep in mind that you have to come through here and take some like I might have to do some. Fuck. Plates in the way. Maybe. No. I'm just gonna go around it. Yep. Yep. So first, you sit up in here. Okay. Go one of these, tap it. Just need a tap. Get a screw, hardware, and put it in there and get that tap. Get a little oil in there. That's right, along the frame. Yeah, that one fairly easy. Like it. Those are the bits to drill. screw. Oh, you're fine. Lay down, Drew. Y'all, this is easy. I'm out here with prosthetics on this. Yeah. All right. Now I can drill those others without being too crazy. I think we ought to change this bit in there so